Hello, dear language learners and friends. Welcome to the English Learning Channel with real stories. Today, we are going to experience an exciting journey together, one that many of us face when we travel abroad for the first time. Yes, you guessed it. Today, we are going to the International Airport. In this video, we will follow a conversation between two close friends, Sam and Mina. Mina is traveling to another country for the first time, and it's America. She is very excited, but also a little nervous, especially worried that her English isn't good enough, or that she won't understand what the airport officers say. Well, that's completely natural, isn't it? But don't worry, Sam is an experienced traveler, and he is right there beside her, helping step by step. Together, we will follow them from the moment they get off the plane, through immigration, then baggage claim, and finally, customs. The best part? I will read all the conversations very slowly, clearly, and with simple sentences, so even if your English is intermediate or beginner, you can easily understand. This story is full of useful, real-life phrases that you can use on your own trips. But before we start, I have a small challenge for you. Please listen carefully until the end and answer this question. What is Mina's purpose of visit? If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section in English. This will help you improve your listening skills and also practice English output. All right, it's time to begin. Take a deep breath, focus, and enjoy the story. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Finally, we've arrived. Welcome to America, Mina.
Thanks, Sam. Wow, this airport is enormous.
Yeah, it is. But no worries, I know the way. Just stick with me.
Okay, but Sam, I'm really anxious right now.
Anxious? Why? What's bothering you?
This is my first time in a foreign country. I'm afraid my English isn't good enough. What if they ask something and I don't understand?
Oh, don't worry about that. Your English is just fine.
Really? But the officers might talk too fast. My listening skills aren't great.
Some speak quickly, but you can always ask them to slow down. That's perfectly acceptable.
I can do that? They won't get upset?
Of course not. They deal with that all the time. Lots of travelers ask the same thing.
Okay, good to know. So what kinds of questions will they ask?
Very simple ones. They'll want to know why you're here, how long you're staying, and where you're staying. That's it. Nothing difficult.
That's all? Just answer honestly?
Yes. Keep your replies short and simple.
Short and simple. All right, I'll do my best.
You'll be great, I promise. And I'll be right behind you in line, so don't worry.
That helps a little. Thanks, Sam.
Of course. Now let's go. The immigration counter is this way. Do you have your passport ready?
Yes, right here in my hand.
Perfect. Let's go.
Next, please. Step forward. Passport, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here on vacation.
How long will you be staying in the United States?
5 days.
5 days. And where will you be staying?
At the Grand City Hotel.
The Grand City Hotel. Is that downtown?
Yes, I believe so. It's near the main train station.
All right. Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Let me see. Okay. Your return flight is on the 20th, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Are you traveling alone?
No, I'm with a friend. He's just behind me in line.
I see. Is this your first time visiting the United States?
Yes, it's my first time. I'm really excited.
Any plans while you're here?
Yes, I'd like to see some famous landmarks and try American food.
That sounds lovely. I hope you enjoy it. Welcome to the United States.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
All right, a few more questions. Have you visited the U.S. before? Do you have any family here?
I'm sorry. Could you repeat that? You spoke a little fast.
Sure, no problem.
Have you been to the United States before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay. And do you have any family in this country?
No, none.
And what do you do for work back home?
Excuse me, could you speak a bit more slowly, please?
Of course. What is your job? What kind of company?
It's a small trading company. We sell electronics.
I see. Is this trip for business or pleasure?
For fun, I'm on vacation.
Nice. How many days are you staying?
5 days. I return to Japan next week.
Great. If you need help during your trip, just ask at your hotel. They're usually happy to assist.
That's very helpful. Thank you. You've been so kind.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip. Where are you staying during your visit?
At a hotel. It's called, I'm sorry, I forgot the name. I'm a little nervous.
That's all right. Take your time. Do you have a booking confirmation?
Yes, I think so. Can I check my phone? I have the email.
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you. Let me look. Okay, here it is. The Sunset Beach Hotel.
Sunset Beach Hotel. Do you have the address?
Yes, 120 Ocean Drive.
120 Ocean Drive. Okay, fine. Is the booking under your name?
Yes, I booked it online before the trip.
Good. How many nights are you staying?
4 nights. We arrive today and leave Friday morning.
Everything looks good. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry about that. I was nervous.
No problem at all. It happens a lot. Many people forget. Don't worry about it. Enjoy your vacation.
Thank you so much.
Mina, I see my bag on the belt, but I don't see yours anywhere.
Let's wait a bit longer. Sometimes it takes time. They don't come out in order.
Okay, I'll keep looking. How long did you wait for yours?
Mine came out pretty quickly, but every bag is different. Some come first, some last. What does your bag look like again? I'll help you watch.
It's a black suitcase, medium size, with a red tag on the handle and a small flower sticker on the front.
Got it. Black, medium, red tag, flower sticker. I'll watch this side. But look, Sam, almost everyone has their bags. The belt is nearly empty.
Yeah, you're right. That's odd. I don't think more bags are coming.
What should I do? My bag hasn't come out. All my clothes are in there.
Don't worry. This happens sometimes. It's not lost forever. Let's go talk to someone at the baggage counter. They can help us find it.
Okay, where is the counter?
Over there. I see a sign that says baggage service. Follow me.
I hope they can find it. I really need my bag.
I'm sure they can. I'll talk to them for you. Just stay with me.
Thanks, Sam. You're always so helpful.
That's what friends are for. Come on, let's go.
Excuse me, my friend's bag didn't come out on the belt. Can you help us? I'm sorry to hear that. That must be frustrating. Can I see your baggage claim tag, please? Sure, here it is. It's for Flight 725 from Tokyo. Thank you. Flight 725 from Tokyo. What does the bag look like? A black suitcase, medium size. Not too big, not too small. It has a red tag on the handle. Black suitcase with a red tag. Got it. Any other distinguishing marks? Yes, a small flower sticker on the front. A pink flower. Okay, I'll check the system. Please wait a moment. Sure, no problem. Take your time. Okay, I found it. It looks like your bag was sent to a different belt by mistake. It's at belt number 3 right now. Oh, great. So it's not lost, just on belt 3. That's right. It should still be there. If you go now, you can pick it up right away. That's wonderful. Thank you so much for checking. We'll go get it. You're welcome. Sorry for the trouble. It doesn't happen often, but sometimes bags go to the wrong belt. No worries at all. Thank you for your help. We really appreciate it.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Do you have anything to declare?
I'm sorry, what does declare mean?
No worries. It means, are you bringing anything special into the country, like large amounts of food, alcohol, or expensive items?
Oh, I see. Thank you for explaining. I have some snacks from Japan, just cookies and candy, nothing expensive.
What kind of snacks? Are they for yourself?
Some for me, some as gifts for a friend. Japanese cookies and green tea candy.
Okay. Can you open your bag for me, please? I just need a quick look.
Sure, here you go. This is the bag with the snacks.
Let me see. These are just regular packaged snacks. That's perfectly fine. No problem here.
Oh, good. I'm glad. Thank you.
One more question. Do you have any fruits, vegetables, or meat products in your bags?
No, none of those. Just the cookies and candy.
Good. Some countries don't allow fresh food from abroad. It's important to remember that.
I understand. I'll remember that. Thank you for telling me.
Last thing, are you carrying more than $10,000 in cash?
No, only a little cash. I'll use my credit card for most things.
That's fine. All right, you're all set. You can go now. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Sam, we made it. We're finally outside the airport.
Yes, we did. How do you feel now?
So much better. I was really nervous before, but honestly, it wasn't that hard.
See, I told you. The questions were simple, right?
Yes, they just asked why I'm here, how long I'm staying, and where I'm staying. That was pretty much it.
Exactly. And you answered everything really well.
Well, I did forget my hotel name once. That was a little embarrassing.
Totally normal. Even I forget hotel names sometimes. But you handled it well. You said, "Can I check my phone?" That was exactly the right thing to say.
Oh, and I also asked the officer to speak slower. I said, "Could you speak a little slower, please?" And he was really nice about it.
That's a very useful phrase to remember. You can use it anywhere, not just at the airport. At a restaurant, a hotel, anywhere.
You're right. I'll probably use it a lot on this trip.
And at customs, you learned a new word too.
Declare. I didn't know that word before today.
Now you do. Do you have anything to declare? Is a very common question at customs in every country.
And I also learned that I shouldn't bring fresh fruits or meat into the country. The officer told me that.
Right. Every country has different rules about food. It's always a good idea to check before you travel.
I'll remember that for next time. Oh, and Sam, thank you so much for helping with my bag. I was really scared when it didn't come out.
No problem. The staff was very helpful. They found it right away. It was just on a different belt.
Yes, I was so worried, but it turned out to be such a simple issue.
That happens more often than you think. The important thing is to stay calm and ask for help. Airport staff are always ready to assist.
You're right. Today I learned something important. Simple English is enough. I don't need perfect English to get through the airport.
Exactly. Short, simple sentences work best. And if you don't understand something, just ask. People are usually very kind.
I feel much more confident now. This was a really good experience. I can't wait to start our vacation.
Me too. The fun part begins now. Let's find a taxi and head to the hotel.
Wait, how do we get a taxi here? Is it easy?
Very easy. There's a taxi stand right over there. We just walk over and get in line.
Great. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.